Sometimes you may need to get quarter by using a date present in a table. This quarter column can be further used in building quarter-wise summary reports. In a year, 4 quarters are there, and each quarter contains 3 serial months. In some countries, financial year starts with Jan, and in some countries, financial year starts with April. So we will see two cases. Jan month as first month of first quarter, April month as first month of first quarter. Here you can see quarter numbering when financial year start with Jan and quarter numbering when financial year start with April. Here I will show you 5 methods or formulas for getting quarter from date. In each method you will learn something new. So try to watch all methods if you want to enhance your Excel skill and knowledge. In first method we will use month and selling function. If you want to know about selling function, then click video link provided in video description. First we will use month function to get month number of a date. Filling down formula. Now applying selling function with 3 significance. Which means convert a number to its highest and nearest multiple of 3. So in case of 1, 2, 3 with 3 significance, selling will give 3, and in case of 4, 5, 6, selling will give 6. Now if we divide output by 3, then we will get quarter number. As you can see, we got quarter number from a date. Additionally, you can also prefix Q if you want. Here I will keep it as number only. In second method we will use approximate VLOOKUP referring table range. First we will make a small table of month number and quarter number. Here in this table you can see month number, which is lookup column in ascending order. It is very important to keep lookup column in ascending order for approximate VLOOKUP. You can read this table like this. For month 1 to below 4, give 1 quarter, give 1 as quarter for approximate value. For month 4 to 7, give 2 as quarter for approximate VLOOKUP, and so on. Now applying approximate VLOOKUP. Here VLOOKUP value is month number. As you can see, we got quarter number as expected. In third method we will use approximate VLOOKUP, but here we will embed table values instead of using table range, thus making VLOOKUP formula independent of table range. First we will convert table range values to array value. Write formula which represents table range. Then press Ctrl Shift Enter instead of pressing Enter key to make it array formula. Here in formula bar you can see curly braces which indicates array formula. Select this cell, press F2 then F9. My F9 key on keyboard not working, hence using virtual keyboard. As you can see, we got static array values. Now everything will be same as method to formula, except at place of table range we will use array values. Copying method to formula and pasting it. Now copying array values excluding is equal to and pasting this at place of table range and pressing enter and filling it down. In fourth method, we will use choose function. There is separate video of choose function provided in description, which you can visit and learn more about choose function. Now applying choose function. As you can see, we got quarter number using choose function. Now I will quickly show you how this choose function works. Choose function has two parts, index and value series. Here blue part is index, or which nth value you want from value series, or red part, since we have 12 value series, hence index can be between 1 to 12. Here red part is value series separated by comma. Total 12 values with leftmost number as first value and rightmost number as last or 12th value. If month is 1, then first value from series is 1, hence 1 will be output. Here you can see first value is 1, hence 1 is outputted. If month value is 5, then fifth value from series is 2, hence 2 will be output. Here you can see fifth value is 2, hence 2 is outputted. So you only need to take care of value series as per your requirement. Here this is a challenge. What will be output of below formula? Can you guess? It is C, because C is presented third number, okay, in series. In fifth method, we will use user defined function. As you have already seen that there is no inbuilt formula for getting quarter by inputting date, but you can build your own quarter function using VBA. This type of function is called user defined function. To make this video short, I have already written this function in Notepad. To make UDF, press Alt F11 to open VBA IDE. Create new standard module. Copying UDF from Notepad, then pasting this in newly created standard module. It is to be noted that UDF must be written in standard module, otherwise you cannot use function in Excel cell. As you can see, this function takes two input, date dt, which is date, and root month number, which is first month number of first quarter. Now come to Excel and type quarter function. Input date range, then in second input write 1, since in this case Jan is first month of first quarter. Press enter. As you press enter, and as you can see, it is giving same output as per other methods, but this is something more clean and straightforward. So this is how UDF can be helpful. In second case, we will see quarter formula when April is first month of first quarter. Now here I will show you method 1 and method 5 formula. Method 2 to 4 I am giving you as challenge. Try to solve from your side by downloading workbook, whose link is provided in description. If you are not able to solve it, then you can refer solution sheet. Now for first method, we will copy formula from first case and do some tweaking. Here you can clearly see from April to December we can get correct quarter output if we subtract 1 from current output. Now you can see we are getting correct output from April to December. From Jan to March we need to apply if case. So applying if month is greater than 3, then this formula output else 4. Now copy pasting this in all cells. As you can see, we got correct output. Now applying quarter function in method 5. Selecting date range, and in second input we will write 4 since it is first month of first quarter. So this is how quarter is obtained using date in Excel. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then please subscribe, like, comment and share.